Today we are making Ayurveda's most comforting and healing food, Khichdi. Namaste, welcome to Yoga You in collaboration with HomeCooking. This series, Wholesome Living Through Food, is all about nourishing your body, mind and soul through the wisdom of yoga and Ayurveda. And nothing represents better than a warm bowl of Ayurvedic Khichdi. To a bowl, add 150 grams moong dal and 100 grams raw rice. Pour enough water and soak it for about 30 minutes. To a pot, add 1 tablespoon ghee, keeping the flame on medium. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1-inch piece of ginger finely chopped, and saute for about 20 seconds. Now add the soaked rice and moong dal after straining the water. Add 6 cups of water and 1 teaspoon of salt and give it all a good mix. Let this boil on high flame for a few minutes. Close the pot, reduce the flame to a medium-low and cook until it's completely done. The khichdi is done and it's cooked to perfection. Khichdi is considered a complete meal in Ayurveda, balancing, detoxifying and nourishing. A gentle and grounding food suitable for all doshas. I'm up for a nice, light and wholesome meal, and here we have this delicious Ayurvedic Khichdi which I cannot wait to try. Wow, the flavors are all so well balanced. It's such a wholesome meal. Thank you for joining us today. If this recipe brought you comfort, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let us know in the comment section what recipe you would like us to make next. Until then, stay nourished, stay grounded. Namaste.